All right, guys. So we are going to unbox this brand new, beautiful, succulent device, which is the Nothing Phone 2A. Boom. Yes, the device is in. The long-awaited unboxing video is about to commence. So I just received my Nothing Phone 2A from AliExpress for about 20 days. Let's say getting to 20 days, 15 to 20 days now. It's now in. So without wasting my time, let's get to work. Remember, this is GH Dominos and Dominos the Techie. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube video, share with your friends, like this video, comment as well. But remember, the most important thing is to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Without wasting my time, let's unbox it. So this is the device, as you can see. Okay, let's see how they packed it. So first is the packing. Neatly packed. One thing I wasn't happy is what? The customs. The fees they were charging is too much. The custom fee being charged is too much. In fact, almost 20% of the price of the product, and it wasn't fair enough. Paying shipping fee and custom fee almost 20% is bad, really bad. But I can't complain much. So there is it. You see, it has been put in this rubber, very neat, very nice. It has so much bubbles inside. Very good. So this is the box of the Nothing Phone 2A. Woo! Woo, 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 woo! This is the box of the Nothing Phone 2A. So, in our next video, we will open this. Yeah, so welcome. This is GH Dominos once again, and Dominos the Techie. Once again, we are going to unbox the Nothing Phone 2A, the latest phone brand by Nothing Technologies. This is their third phone. Their first phone was Nothing Phone 1, which trended together with the Nothing Phone 2. The Nothing Phone 1 was released in in 2022. Yeah, in Nothing Phone 2 was released in 2023. Then the Nothing Phone 2A, the latest one, the Phone 2A, the latest one in town, was released this year, 5th March 2024. It was launched in India. Yes, it was made by Nothing Technologies from UK, but it was assembled in China. So without wasting my time, let us unbox it. How do you unbox it? Check. You see, it's just too slim and thin, but how do you open it? That's what I'm going to show you. So opening it, you have to start from this red line. You see it's an arrow, so it's indicating where you should what? Remove or start from. So we hold it. You see, we are unboxing the phone. Brand new. Kaish. So this is it. We have opened it. We are going to open this phone. Remember, it is black. This is the black color, not the white or the milk color. So this is white, black. We are opening it. Woo! What do we have here? The phone looks sleek, nice, and beautiful. This is what a 6.7-inch AMOLED display phone. The memory is what? 12 gigabyte RAM, 256 gigabyte ROM. The 12 gigabyte RAM can be expanded rather to what? 20 gigabyte. Yes. So this is the phone. So sleek. It is not made with what? Glass or anything. It is made with what? Plastic. Yes. So let us open. Cash. Okay, so we shall open this side as well. Woo! Ouch! The phone fell from my hand. So this is it. The phone looks sleek. It's even far beautiful than what we see online. So 10. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nothing. This is the phone. Alright. So let's check what's next. Okay, so we remove this one. Type C to C cable. It charges at a speed of 45 watts. That's it. What do we have here again? Manual. Nothing manual. Safety information, warranty information for the phone 2A. I don't think I'm going to read though. It's lengthy. But I'll try my best to read something, you know. Okay, so different languages. So it's starting with the English, language, you get it. Well, just for safety manual, cool. Nothing much. But then we all know how phones work, so it's not anything to worry about. Contact support for different countries. Unfortunately, Ghana is not in because they do have a branch in Ghana for now. I bought it online. It sent something more here. So let's open this and see. Wow, what is this? Wow, the same tray opener. Woo. So slick. I think that's it for the box. Nothing again. So this is it. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a charger head or charging cable. It's not bad. It only came with the wire cable, not the head. Which is the only minus part in this. So we are going to open this and see how beautiful the phone looks. Looking at the edges, it's just so round, beautiful than even the Google Pixel and then the iPhone. Way beautiful than them. Just not heavy too. Nothing technologies. Woo. So sick. Hello, English United Kingdom. Hello. Connect to mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert it now. Skip. So I have to connect a Wi-Fi. I have to connect to a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Okay, coming. Okay, so I'm going to connect. Beautiful. Nothing. What do we have here? Phone 2A, model A142, London, England. So it's connected. So it's connected. Getting phone ready. This may take a few minutes. This phone looks slick. I've been dreaming about it for what? 3 weeks now. It's not easy. It took me 2 good weeks to settle on this phone. I was looking at Xiaomi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. I was looking at Pixel 8. And I was also looking at this phone. Took me 3 weeks upon several researches, several YouTube videos watching, and I settled on this. Yes. So this is the Nothing Phone 2A. It comes with 3 years Android upgrades and 4 years of software updates. So this one comes with it was pre-installed with Android 14. So since it came with 3 years Android upgrade, I'm going to get Android 15, Android 16, and Android 17 on this phone. Plus an extra 4 years of security updates. Yeah. So through to 2018. Sorry, through to 2028. By 2029, it won't receive any software update again. Beautiful. Ain't it? Go get yours now. Now. So it's open and they're telling me copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contact, Google account, and more. We'll come back to this soon enough. Bye bye.